Have you noticed cars are getting bigger? It's not your imagination. It's a fact. Cars today are larger than ever, and this trend is impacting everything from parking spaces to urban driving. But why are cars getting so big? Let's break it down and find out. If you compare a 2003 BMW M3 to the 2024 BMW M4, the difference is clear. The M4 is nearly 30 centimeters longer and 10 centimeters wider. And it's not just luxury cars. Mainstream models like the Volkswagen Polo and the Mini have also grown by over 20 centimeters in length over the past 2 decades. One reason is performance. Bigger engines, stronger chassis, and advanced gearboxes need more space. The modern M4 has 190 more horsepower than the older M3, requiring a beefier build to handle that power. But performance isn't the only reason. Profit is a huge driver of this trend. Car makers make 40 to 60% higher margins on larger vehicles like SUVs compared to smaller cars. This pushes manufacturers to design bigger and bulkier models. Safety also plays a role. Bigger cars are generally better at protecting passengers in a crash. More metal around you equals more protection. But this isn't the main factor. As experts say, size often comes down to marketing and consumer demand for more roomy and luxurious cars. However, the downsides of bigger cars are becoming apparent. Parking spaces haven't changed in decades. The minimum width for UK parking spaces is 1.8 meters, the same as the width of the older M3 but narrower than the modern M4. Navigating tight urban spaces, multi-story car parks, and width restrictors can be stressful in larger vehicles. During tests comparing a 2003 BMW M3 and a 2024 M4, drivers found the older, smaller car far easier to handle in tight spaces. The M4 required high-tech features like a 360-degree camera to avoid mishaps, while the M3 got through with ease. So what's the solution? If you live in a city, downsizing your car could be a game-changer. Smaller models like the Lexus LBX or Mini Cooper Electric offer comfort and luxury in a more compact size, making urban driving less stressful. What do you think about this trend of bigger cars? Is it worth the trade-off, or is it time to think smaller? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of cars.